These pictures of close-up views of things from a T-Rex's world. What do you think they are? And if you want to go back and watch the video from the T-Rex episode, from the T-Rex story, that'll help you solve these clues. Okay? So here is hint number 1. These T-Rex body parts were the size of bananas. Hint number 2. T-Rex had these plates of skin. T-Rex walked on these. That was number 3. Number 4. We know about T-Rex from these. Number 5. T-Rex mom laid these. Number 6. This bird is related to T-Rex. And that is all about the T-Rex. So until next time, happy reading.